Hi and thank you for watching. So for today's video we are doing a very caramel glowy look, and basically the entire reason for filming this video is because MAC has brought back my favorite eyeshadow of all time, you guys. I am so excited. It is back, you guys. MAC has Uninterrupted. So this seriously is like the most beautiful caramel color. It just makes brown eyes look like you are just made of caramel. It is so flattering and it looks great on green and blue and hazel eyes as well. I used to use this every day. I used to even use it for contouring. Once I heard that it was discontinued, I just stopped using the last one that I had. I am so happy that it's back. I think it just looks so good. I wanted to pay an homage to the old me and thank MAC so much for bringing this back. This video is not sponsored or anything like that. I'm a fanatic for MAC in general, but then this eyeshadow specifically. So I will show you this and fangirl super hard over an eyeshadow. Let's get started. Say hello to my little friend. Brows are done and I am just priming the eyes with MAC ProLongwear Concealer in NW20. And then just for goodness sake, I am extending the invite onto my new friend here. I'm setting this with MAC Emphasize. This is a pro product, so if you want to purchase it, you have to do so on maccosmetics.com if you're not a pro. I'm not, so I just buy this online. Because we are going to be using one of my favorite eyeshadows from back in the day, I'm going to do the transition how I used to do it. I'm taking the E40 brush and then some Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie. Just applying this to the transition. The same brush, I'm going to apply some Creme Brûlée a little bit lower to what we had just done. And then move downward and then upward. Very blendy look. I'm going to blend and blend and blend and blend and blend until it hurts. I'm so excited. I'm so embarrassed. So our next step is Uninterrupted, and it is just... So with my Sigma E25, I'm going to take Uninterrupted. This brush was clean, nothing on it, except my favorite. I'm just going to apply this to the crease. Oh. Just applying this mostly to the crease. I just love this. Jaclyn Hill used to say that this is like the color of baby puke, which I understand what she means. Like, it's very mustardy and just, oh yeah. I just want to sit here for like 3 hours and just apply this to my eye. Same thing on the other eye. And as I have less product on the brush, then I move downward to the lid just to make sure it's all blended. So in this particular video, I'm not so gassy. My chihuahua is sleeping on my lap right now. Blend everything out with the E40. I'm like stoked but calm at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. Seriously, applying makeup is like so therapeutic. I wear a lot of makeup to work and a lot of people are like, what are you all glammed up for? Where are you going after this? I actually really don't enjoy driving that much, but getting to sit and be calm and collected beforehand really helps. So I really like applying makeup. It's therapeutic. I'm going to apply some MAC Nylon to the brow bone, just under the arch. Next, I'm going to do my liners, and you've seen me do that before, so I will be right back. I have my liquid liner on, just winged it out, and then I have MAC Fascinating in the waterline to wake me up. Ah, I keep looking in the viewfinder and I like see Uninterrupted. It's the little things. So the lashes that I'm going to be putting on today are the Lilly lashes. They're Faux Mink in the style Mykonos. If you want to do lashes but you're intimidated, I actually think that they're a lot less intimidating than doing mascara, because I hit my lash line a little bit with glue, but that will dry clear, and if it's too shiny for your liking, you can just put liner on top. But for me, like, I think mascara is really scary because you can work so hard on your eyes, and then when you're applying it, if you get it on your makeup, you're toast. You have to wipe it off. So actually this, I think, is more foolproof. If you really want to try lashes, you can do it. I believe in you. So eyes are pretty much done. I'm going to move on to the face. I do Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Some Benefit Porefessional. So I mentioned in my vlog that I got color matched at Tom Ford for their foundation. I just got a sample because I want to try it out before dropping that kind of money on a foundation. I went to the Tom Ford counter at Nordstrom. They do samples if you ask. I'm going to dip my finger in here and apply this to the face. I don't know much about this foundation, but we shall see. Obviously it doesn't match my face, it matches my neck. I get spray tans, and every once in a while I do the tanning bed, but I do not tan my face. Plus I exfoliate every day with a Clarisonic, so my face is always much more fair than my body. This is a really beautiful foundation. I'm going to apply another layer, and this is in the color Caramel, so I just thought it'd be so perfect while I showcase Uninterrupted, because I think that is a very beautiful caramel color as well. My imperfections are still peeking through, which I am fine with because I think it looks more realistic. Some concealer. I think it just brings your face to life. Look at that dimension. Look how it evens everything out and adds dimension. Like, whoo. So I'm gonna apply some dewdrops just to add some highlight on the face. I love this stuff. Just pat this right where you would do powder highlight. I have some texture right here, so the highlight's kind of bringing it out, but it's okay. I'll allow it. Setting the under eye. Same product as we used to prime the eyes. Then with MAC Studio Fix and NC42, we will set the foundation. So I put my eyebrows on first. The product sticks better to your skin than it would to foundation, but I don't do the finished look. Like, I just put a base on because look at all how it's like coming off because liquid and powder and all that, so I will have to reapply. Same with eyeliner. Like, this part right here, a little bit coated. So the face makeup is set, and then I am going to contour with the KKW Beauty. This is a contour and highlight kit in medium. Obviously the powders. I'm going to take the cooler tone because that's how you contour. I'm using the NARS Ita brush. Contouring is super difficult for me because I have such bad sideburns, you guys. Seriously, Elvis status. My sideburns seriously go down to like about here. So my hair follicles are like always giving me like a little bit of texture right there, so it's really difficult to like pack product on right there. It's a secret, but I wanted to share because I would love to be the contour queen, and it is very difficult. I'm going to hit the nose. I'm taking some Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer, and then I'm just going to warm up the contour just a little bit. Hit the hairline just for that sun-kissed tan look. Baking really helps perfect a contour, so I'm taking PatrickStarr's Powder. This is where I fix my eyebrows, and so I had Anastasia Brow Definer in medium brown just to lay the base with the Dior Show Brow Styler in dark brown. Flick this very lightly just to add hair-looking strokes. With my MAC 212 brush, I'm going to take Uninterrupted and just line the lower lashes. Putting some nylon in the inner corner. Melba is the blusher of choice today. Perfect. Let's dust off this baking. Ugh. Got some champagne pop with me. Ready, set, and go. Why do I keep my eyes open while I'm spraying my face? I used to keep my eyes open when I went swimming in like pools. My eyes would just be bloodshot after that. We set the face, so let's set the brows. Brushing your teeth, except a little hairier. And then some mascara. Whoa, look at my morning coffee. I have a new one, which I may have to use. In this video alone, I've opened 3 products because I just run out, man. This will be good. I'm just going to fill in my lips with this liner. And with the Fenty Beauty Gloss, I'm going to apply this right on top. Just like that. So this is it, you guys. This is the complete look, and I am just so happy. I just feel so good about this, you guys. I've been so happy lately anyway. I'm finding so much joy in like the smallest things lately, and I think it's because I'm just really happy and at a very good place in my life. I'm happy about my dogs. I'm happy about the people in my life. I don't want to get too sentimental on my channel, but I am just really content and so aware of how blessed I am. And this is such a good feeling. I truly hope that all of you guys can feel this too. I know that this is just a makeup channel, but like no matter what's going on in your life, makeup is just something that's light and fun, and it's fun to find things to get excited about and keep your spirits very high up. So yeah, I wish all the best for all you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. You know, for something that you're going to go and name Uninterrupted, you super interrupted it. I can't get too mad though because it's back. You know, I say caramel, and you can say caramel, you can say caramel, but I just don't understand why anybody says caramel. There's another A. Like, you can't omit an entire letter and call it caramel. Is that weird? Like, caramel, totally fine. Caramel? But you know what? Don't even get me started on words.